Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling previews so you can read content without opening the app. Go to Settings, then Notifications, and pick the specific app. Turn on previews for Lock Screen and Notification Center. This exposes message text directly. Once done, make sure notification style is set to persistent or banners so they stay visible. You're doing this to let the OS display the content. This is the foundation that makes the only way technique possible, so don't skip these toggles. Now you add and configure the quick access layer. Swipe to your lock screen widgets or Today view and add the app's notification widget if available. Enable inline reply actions so you can respond without unlocking or opening the app. Once done, tweak privacy. Allow previews but hide sensitive details if needed, so you still read content while protecting private data. This combination, previews plus inline actions, lets you fully handle notifications without launching the app itself. Finish by testing. Send a message and confirm the lock screen or widget shows the full text and reply actions. If it fails, restart the device and recheck app permissions and notification access. Sometimes a reboot resets preview policies. If content remains hidden due to privacy rules, enable notification history or pair a trusted device where previews are allowed. This gives read access without opening the app. If issues persist, revoke and re-grant notification permission, then retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.